Welcome guys. Today I'm gonna show you crash and boom strategy. Yeah, crash and boom strategy that we use to make money. So before we get started, I want to place a buy for crash and boom. Sorry for boom 500 in this. Okay, I want to place a buy because I want to catch spike right away. So yeah, I placed the buy. As you can see, I just placed the buy and I'm expecting a spike. So while waiting for the spike, let me quickly show you how the strategy works. So please stay tuned to this video. Subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that. Yeah, so guys, while I said the strategy, if you don't have an account on Deriv, simply click on the link at the description below to open an account, because Deriv is the only broker that offers synthetic indices, which consist of crash and boom, volatility index and step index. Okay, we're good to go. The first indicator we need is the commodity China index. You click on it. The period 14 apply to typical price levels, -100 and +100. Then the style, take the color green and 2 picks there. You click save and you click done. See that, guys? My trade is still ongoing and I'm waiting for it to spike. This is the commodity China index. The next indicator, we need a moving average at indicator window 1. Look at it, at indicator window 1, not at the main chart. No, at indicator window 1. You click the plus button, select your moving average, then you take the period 10, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, and the style, make it 4 pixels, the color red, you're done. You can see it. This is the indicator we just set, the moving average. Good. Then the last indicator will be the market facilitation index at the indicator window 1. Also MFI volume stick, the style MFI upgrade. The MFI up is green, the MFI down, volume down, black, MFI down, up, volume down, black, MFI down, volume up, green. So this is, we're using black, but the color of our screen is white, so therefore won't be able to see it. So what I'll do is that I'll go change my screen to white so that we'll be able to see the indicators. So I go to my setting, the chart, and then I'm gonna turn off sorry guys, where's this stuff, the dark mode and the light mode. Okay, so sorry guys about this. Turn it up. Good. From my screen directly. So yeah, so right now I've turned on the light mode so that you can see the black and the green we just set on the MFI, which is the market facilitation index. Good. Guys, do you see the spike? Do you see the spike using our strategy? So how did we get the spike? You can see we're on profit. How did we know it's gonna spike? That is what I'll be showing you right now. But first of all, I'll just simply take profit first. Good. And profit. Good. Done. Simple as that. Got the spike. So the zoom level you'll be using on iOS, it's 4th zoom level, and on Android is the 3rd zoom level. So zoom it 1. Okay, 1. This is the first, the second, the third. That's the 3rd, and then the 4th. Yeah, so we're good. Okay, this is the zoom level we're going to be using. So currently now, guys, you can see the position of the screen. And how do you know it is time to place a buy for boom using this strategy? You wait for the red moving average to cross below the green line at the oversold level, which is below this line, below this 100. When it crosses below, it gives you a spike. You can see it crossed below, it gave us a spike. Perfect strategy, guys. You don't waste time on it. You can see the way I took the spike, it crossed below, I took the spike. Yeah, guys, as it crossed below, I took the trade, and then we got the spike. The 5-minute time frame, you can see it. Okay, so this is how it works. It crossed below, it spike more. Let me show you more confirmations. Again, at this point, the red moving average crossed below the line. At the oversold level, it spiked. You see that, guys? It's a very powerful strategy. Continuously, as soon as the condition is met, good, crossed below again, it spiked. You can see, as far as the condition is met, it's bound to give you the spike. It crossed below, it spiked. You can see again at this point, crossed below. But look at this. This is point you need to note. This is point you need to note. Look at it. So you move your screen to the end. You move it to the end, not at this point. Look at this point. Look at what it is. The intersection wasn't below, so you move it to the end of the screen. You understand that, guys? To the end of it. So when it crosses below, it gives you your spike. That is it, guys. It crosses below at this point. You can see this is live trading. We traded this in front of you. I saw it, I cleared my chart, and then show you how you can do it, because it's simple. It's simple, guys. So another point you need to watch out is the price action. The support and resistance level, because it do return market, the force to push back the market. Look at it, it's coming down, and then this is a support level. The support zone pushed this market back, resulting to a spike. So those are things you need to also take into consideration. Look at it. This is the support zone. The support zone at this point. So the market was coming down, then got the spike. So adding this concept with the strategy, you are good. You're very good to go. Check out boom 1000. You can see the same thing. When the red moving average crosses below the green line, it spikes. Boom 1000 index. And again, at this point, crosses below, it spikes. That's how the strategy works. Perfect strategy. Crosses below, again, it spikes. Check out crash. See how it works. So crash, good for crash. When it crosses above, it spikes. Look, the red moving average crossed above the green line at the overbought level, then it spikes. And again, at this point, crossed above, it spiked. You can see cross above, spike, cross above at this point, spikes. This is crash and boom strategy. Crossed above again, it spiked. Good strategy for you guys. Crossed above, then spike continuously. Crossed above, it spike. Crossed above again and again and again. Was the last one, crash 500 in this. Still cross above, crossing above to spike. Awesome strategy, awesome one. Cross above, it spikes. You can see the same way it works, the same way continuously. When it crosses above, it spikes. That's the strategy, guys. That's it. Checking a boom 500 again. It's coming down. All you have to do now is to wait again for the condition to be made. Then you can know whether to take another buy to catch spike. So how you can trade and make money with this strategy is just to observe the crash and booms. Anyone that the condition, remember the red moving average crossing, intersecting with the green line at the overbought or oversold level, then you either place a buy for boom and place a sell for crash. As simple as that, guys. This is the strategy I brought to you today from Forex Success. So make sure you hit that like button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop a new video. Of course, we'll drop a new video. So remember to click on the link below to sign up to derive and start trading crash and boom. Also, is our amazing strategy, of course, guys. Of course, a link is at the description below for trading robots. If you're interested in trading robots, it trades for you, give you a 45% profit monthly. You can also click on the link to learn more about it. It's super easy and good for if you don't have time to trade or you don't have the knowledge of trading. That will help you make consistent profit. So thanks to you all, guys. Thanks to you all, and Forex Success.